Hi, I'm Heather Rosentrater, Senior Vice President of Energy Delivery at Avista. We know the impacts of Wednesday's windstorm have affected so many of you, and we acknowledge that many of you are still dealing with the impacts of the damage, and we sincerely empathize with you. Please know that we're working tirelessly around the clock to restore power to you and your families as safely and quickly as possible. Although each of the storms and outage situations are unique, we have noticed similarities with the 2015 historic windstorm. The 71 mile per hour wind gusts that we experienced on Wednesdays matched what we saw just over 5 years ago. And the record wind gusts have caused severe damage to homes and businesses and to our electric grid. Both our transmission and our distribution system experienced severe damage, with hundreds of poles being impacted and miles of our wire, both in our rural areas and in our cities. As the winds calmed on Wednesday, we sent out assessors and our line crews as soon as it was safe to do so to start the restoration effort. And what they saw was significant damage and devastation. We know that the storm caused loss of life, loss of property, and in areas, our system was a mess from the falling trees. But we also saw resiliency in our communities and neighborhoods working together to support each other. We have over 120 crews actively working, over 400 individuals in the field supporting our restoration. And we've loved to see so many of you wanting to share your appreciation and thank all of those who are helping. And we also want to thank them and remind them to stay safe. With the extensive damage, it's likely that some of you won't be restored until Sunday evening. And we know that even a period of an outage causes challenges and is frustrating. So we appreciate your understanding and your patience, and we commit that we will continue to work around the clock until each and every one of you is restored. We want you to call us or go to the website for updates as estimated restoration times are more clear, and as we send crews to your area, you can find updates on our outage map. You can also sign up for text alerts or use our Avista app to get updated information. So thank you again from all of us at Avista. We want you to know that we appreciate each and every one of you.